Hey girl, so let's have a conversation. Let's talk about this transition phase that I'm in, that God has me in. So it's hard to run a business, have two kids, and to not have a job and depend on the Lord fully for everything and wake up every day and show up as your best and authentic self. So let's talk about it. I don't know if you're in the same position that I am currently in, but I just want to say it's challenging sometimes to just be raw and honest with regards to the journey and the process with regards to walking with God. But I've also learned that He will literally come through all the time. So I don't really worry about certain things, but yet still it's still hard to go on that process and to be doing this by yourself, if you know what I mean. Because God called me out of a relationship that I was in. So I've just been winging it, me and God and them kids. Me, God, and them kids has just been winging it. But I'm in this phase right now where He is working on me. Like He's been working on me and like developing my character and developing who I am outside of like a relationship. And that's been like a space that I've been in for almost a year. But I can honestly say that the journey has been like really rocky and stuff like that, but it hasn't been that hard. Like not having a person, you know what I mean? But despite of the fact, I'm in a space right now where He's teaching me how to do things God's way and how to teach my kids and how to grow my kids and groom my kids, not the world's way, but like His way. How to run my business successfully His way. How to love myself and to, appreciate myself His way and not the world's way. So it's kind of a space that I'm in right now where I'm just allowing Him to navigate this new space that I'm in. It's not entirely comfortable because I was tugging with regards to even coming on social media and doing content. I was tugging with regards to that. I'm like, okay, God, but I'm not where I want to be. So how do you want me to do content here? And He's like, that's exactly where I want you to do content. I want you to start where you are. So I'm just working on being like a good steward over the things that God has given into me. He's also been teaching me how to be a good steward over my kids. Like when you understand that God gives us things to steward over, it like literally change your perspective in life. Because today or this morning I was looking at my son and was like, Lord, I thank you. After we both carried my daughter to school, I was like, Lord, I thank you. I thank you for giving me the ability to steward over these kids. Like, thank you for placing these kids in my life. I know that I might not be the mom right now that used to give them a whole lot of things, but I'm just grateful for the space that I'm in right now, that me now and me last year are like two different persons, and I'm just super, or me from 2023 I should say is a totally completely different person from this me today. And I must say that I'm extremely grateful for that, because also the Lord has taught me how to have compassion and how to understand that everything that I have in life is a gift. So I'm in a season where He's teaching me how to steward things, steward the things that He's given me to create content, steward my finances that He's given me, since being that He's calling me to be full blown, to trust in Him and not to lean on anybody else but to lean on Him, stewarding the fact that He's calling me to go to school or to go back to school, and I don't know where the money's coming from, but I'm stewarding the information and I'm making the step and doing the things that He has called me to do. When I understand that concept, that that's what it actually is and it should have been in the first place, my thought process is different. My thought process is different towards things, because now I am trying my best to be a faithful steward over everything that He is giving unto me. So that's my little rant for today. I'll see you in my next video.